Hey folks, welcome back for the penultimate day of Licksmas. Today we're learning our last lick from YouTuber and banjo nerd Eli Gilbert. Remember, if you want to learn any of these licks on banjo, you can go to Eli Gilbert's YouTube channel and watch his video that he posted today teaching the exact same lick. This is the last lick from Eli Gilbert. Let's do it. As I've said many times before, I am not Eli. Eli's a very handsome man. Man, I wish I had his bone structure, but it's just not working out for me. So I don't know where this lick came from because I don't look like him. That was the through line of that joke if you lost it. Anyway, go watch Eli's video if you want to find out where the lick is from. I'm just going to break it down my own way. This lick is a very hot sounding lick. It's structured very much like a guitar line, but it includes some unique syncopation. So you can see that 4 and going into beat 1. That's a cool moment. It's also got a surprising little bit of octave displacement here. And I'm not actually sure I would call this octave displacement. Maybe it's just a 5th interval because it goes back down the octave very quickly. It doesn't spend any time displaced besides the note itself. So I'm not sure that's a good description. Here's the lick at 2 different speeds. Alright, so if you've been enjoying the 12 Days of Licksmas, I'd really appreciate if you would hit that subscribe button down below. Maybe like this video, leave me a comment. All of those things are super helpful. Check out Eli Gilbert's YouTube channel. And of course, tomorrow you'll be able to get the tabs for all of the licks from the 12 days. So I hope you're looking forward to that. I certainly am. And I'll see you tomorrow for the final day of the 12 Days of Licksmas.